guys, and welcome to Advanced Trading Mechanics. I am Charlie Knight, and in today's video I just want to quickly show you how I'll be able to buy a Maven 2K Prop Firm account. I've been wanting to buy this account for a while now, but it is now that I'm able to get a fund, and I just really want to quickly buy it. This is my first prop firm, by the way, and I need to proceed from it from 2K to 5K to 10K, and one day maybe trade a million. So quickly join me whilst I go through the process with you. Anybody who's interested can follow the same process and then also buy a prop firm for themselves. So quickly I'll go to my browser, I'll go to Prop Firm Match. I've already logged in. Prop Firm Match is just a platform where you can be able to check the reliability of the platforms. There are several platforms, but it's only 40 verified platforms that are here. And so, if you're a trader looking for a prop firm to buy, don't you just see the prop firm online or a friend recommend it to you, and all of a sudden you are jumping into go and buy. Come to Prop Firm to come and verify. So I'll go to challenges, and then since I want to buy 2K, I need to change here to custom, and then put it below, put it to above. Yeah. So this is K. I'm using an account from $600 to $60K. So this is the one I want to buy, Maven 2K. So I press buy, and I'll set up to my account. I want to receive loyalty points so that I can be able to buy a prop firm one day with the points. So I'll say yes. I'll first have to copy the code too. So I'll just go to website. So I'll be redirected to Maven's official website, and then I'll be able to buy the account there. So I'm here. So right now what I want to buy is a 2K Prop Firm. I'll go to here and I'll press buy, and this is the daily drawdown. These are the rules. One thing I like about this, the overall drawdown is static. Means it doesn't rise. It's not trading. Means it follows your equity high or low. This drawdown is equity based. So it means that if you made a lot of money in a day, your daily drawdown also increases with it. It's not like your daily drawdown. Not that your daily drawdown will stay. Your daily drawdown will also increase with it, so that you can't have a huge daily drawdown. It will still be the 80. So I'll just press buy. This is it. Two-step. When you come to the checkout, you realize that this is the checkout after you press the prop firm you want to buy. So I've already put in a coupon code which is match. I'll type it under the video, or put it in the video description, and it will be on the screen as well. Match. When you apply it, 4% to be deducted from the prop firm, from the price of the prop firm. You realize that here is $19, and now it's $18.24. $0.76 has been deducted. And this might not be a lot, but if I buy in an account and it's let's say $200, then you're paying then 4% will also be deducted from that one for you. So here I'll select MetaTrader, and then I've already applied the coupon. So these details I'll fill, so they'll ask you for your email, your country, your house address, everything. The most important part I feel is the payment. This, but the way you fill this will determine the payment method that will be asked of you, whether it's Kura or use that. I do use Kura because I'm a Ghanaian and we have more money in the country, and it is easier than me depositing money in my bank. So from here you select, you click this and this because you are not a US. If you are a US citizen, you don't need to click this, but you need to definitely agree. You definitely need to agree to the terms and the conditions. It's not by force subscribe to the newsletter, and then you press complete payment. So you press complete payment, and now it will take you to the final checkout. So I'll put in Ghana cedis. I'll blame my payment line as well. So I'm typing it. One money. So I felt like it's already sent me the listing in my email. So let me go quickly into my email. So you can realize that here they say my order is complete because I've just made a payment on my mobile phone. So as you can see, Maven Group has sent me here are the details, the server and everything. And this is the payment receipt. You can see the quantity there, you can see the payment reference and everything. So my order is complete. That's the payment receipt. So now let's go quickly into the dashboard. So let me quickly log in and for you to see the dashboard. So you can see my dashboard. You can see the dashboard. You can see the dashboard. You can see the dashboard. So this is my trading overview. My withdrawal. Trading overview. I haven't traded before. So this is it. The account is being bought. You can see for yourself. And so I think from tomorrow I'll start trading. We will see and let's see how it plays out. Thank you for watching.